Hello everyone, I am Archana Shankar. Welcome to my channel on fashion, image and style. So today I would like to talk to you about a particular subject which is like favorite of all women and all girls around. We've been in this eternal love with this garment called the sari. And particularly I would like to talk to you about a sari blouse. So all these years we've been stumbling across many different kinds of garments, yet we have not lost the love that we have for this beautiful drape which is a sari. Even young girls, if you look at them, they find it sometimes difficult to drape a sari, or they take a long time. They only wear it when there are some functions or weddings. Still they find it a little difficult. They're so not used to it, and so they take a little bit more of time, yet they are not ready to give up on a sari. So anywhere, any shop you go, sari is always a favorite item of a woman. It is not just to wear. If you ask the audience, they also love to see a woman in a sari. I guess a woman looks her most beautiful and most graceful in a sari. The topic that I would like to talk about is sari blouses. All these years we've been using sari blouses which were stitched, alright, but now since a couple of years we have also got into this area of ready-made blouses or ready-to-wear blouses. Now ready-to-wear blouses are of two types. Basically one is woven and another is knitted, about which I shall talk to you in an elaborate manner in a different episode. But in this episode, what I would like to highlight is about these blouses which are generally not available as blouses. If you go and ask for blouses, there are certain blouses they give you, but these things which I am going to talk to you about are not typically known as blouses. Well, this is a slight trick where you just open your eyes and look out for garments like a t-shirt, a crop top or a tank top, which can function as a blouse. Now most of these tops or these t-shirts come in knitted, so they are like stretchable, alright. So the one that I'm wearing here is also a top, in fact a top which has been converted into a blouse, about which I shall show you a few more pictures so that you will understand the clear how beautiful it looks. Alright, and now I shall also show you one of these things which I picked up as a t-shirt. So it was just picked up as a t-shirt, and then I cropped it. I cropped it so that it sits very nicely as a blouse, and it's this striped fabric, and which I have mixed and matched with so many different saris which I shall show you the pictures about. Also one random t-shirt which you can call it as a t-shirt. It's it's such beautiful prints which I picked up on from the streets. It is just a street fashion experience, but it's made of such soft fabric, and it's made of knitted, and I've worn it with so many different saris because it's got a lot of different colors as you see it. I shall show you the pictures of that as well, which I have experimented with. then this is also such a nice beautiful top, which again is stretched, and it's got, if you see, it's got off shoulder, so it looks very stylish with a transparent saree or a sheer, that kind of a saree, which gives a great party look. I will be showing the pictures of that as well. So what I would like to say here is, let's move from just typically looking and asking for a blouse and try to convert some of our t-shirts which are already with us into sarees. Let's mix and match it with some of those sarees, and it's very easy. Just start trying. I'm telling you, this is very easy, and you look completely exclusive. The speciality about this is that you don't see many women doing this. All right, and even if there are women who are doing this, another woman wouldn't have the same t-shirt as you. So the way you put together look will be very unique. You'll be known for your exclusive signature looks. So I would advocate all you lovely ladies and girls out there to look for such interesting t-shirts and tank tops and pair it with some of your sarees. Experiment so that you will create such exclusive looks. So this is what I wanted to talk to you about. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do. And if you have liked this video, please give it a like. And also please press the small bell button which is beside there, so that every time I release a video, you will be able to get it pretty soon. And thank you so much for watching. See you again with so many such different videos which will be revolving around fashion, image and style. Thank you so much.